Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about import-export strategies. Whether you're experienced or just starting out, understanding these strategies is a key for success in the international market. So sit back, relax, and let's begin. Understanding your market. First, you need to truly understand your target market. This involves conducting market research to identify potential customers, competitors, and industry trends. By genuine deep understanding of the market dynamics, you can tailor your products or service to meet the specific needs and preference of your target audience. This will help you stand out and increase your chances of long-term success. Identifying key partners. Another important aspect of export and import strategy is identifying key partners. Whether you need supplier, distributor, or strategic partner, having a strong network is reliable partner is essential for expanding your reach in the global market. Collaboration with the right partners can help you access to new markets, reduce costs, and improve the overall efficiency of your operations. Potential partner and build strong relationships that will benefit your business in long term. Implementing pricing strategies. Pricing is a critical component of any export and import strategy. Setting the right place for your products or services can make or break your success in the international market. When developing your pricing strategy, consider factors such as product costs, competitor pricing, exchange rates, and local market conditions. Be careful analyzing those factors. You can set competitive prices that will direct customers when also ensuring that you achieve a healthy profit margin. Remember, pricing is just about being the cheapest option. It is about being the cheapest option. It's about offering value and quality to your customers. Managing logistics and supply chain. Logistics and supply chain management play a crucial role in the success of your export and import operations. From sourcing raw materials to delivering finished products to customers, every step in the supply chain must be planned and executed. By optimizing your logistic process, you can reduce costs, minimize delays, and improve customer satisfaction. Consider partnering with reputable logistic providers and implementing innovative technologies to streamline your supply chain and gain a competitive edge in the market. Adapting to regulatory requirements. Navigating the complex web of regulatory requirements is a key challenge for exporters and importers. From customs regulations to trade tariffs, compliance with local laws and regulations is essential for avoiding costly penalties and delays. Stay informed about changes in trade policies and regulations in your target markets. Trade policies and regulations in your trade markets, and work closely with legal experts to ensure that your operations are fully compliant. By proactively addressing regulatory requirements, you can mitigate risks and build a solid foundation for sustainable growth in the global market. Expanding your market reach. Once you have established a strong foundation for your export and import operations, it is time to focus on expanding your market reach. Look for opportunities to enter new markets, diversify your product offerings, or from strategic partnership with other businesses. By continually seeking out new opportunities for growth, you can stay ahead of your competition and capture a larger share of the global market. Remember, the world of international trade is constantly evolving. So being adaptable and proactive is key to long-term success. In conclusion, developing effective export and import strategies is essential for navigating the complexities of the global market. By understanding your target market, identifying key partners, implementing pricing strategies, managing logistics, and adapting to regulatory requirements, you can position your business for success in international arena. So keep these strategies in your mind. You can plan your next export or import venture, and remember the world is oyster when it comes to global trade. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video gave you information about import-export strategies. See you in my next video. Thank you so much.